What up? It's Hurricane Irene. It isn't too bad out here. Ooh. It isn't too bad out here now. Feel like going for a little bit of a walk. I mean, people's is worried, man. Well, I'm telling you, I'm a beast driven by momentum. And I'm not gonna let a hurricane bring me down. See the birds flying up in the air? Straight up. Man, it's getting cold out here, you know. I'm out here in jeans, in the wind, in the rain. It's mad cold, you know. I'm gonna get pneumonia. I guess you can call this a vlog. In the rain, in the hurricane. So I'm telling you though, man, it ain't as bad as everyone thinks it is. Oh man, it's cold. Ooh, I'm getting the back chills though, man. Your boy gotta keep walking though. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna let a hurricane bring me down. It isn't gonna stop me. I guarantee it. Oh gosh, that's a good wind. You get a little gust right there. I promise you. All the peoples out there, don't be afraid. Trust me. You're hearing this from your boy. I mean, New York, on the other hand, it's not looking too good. But, you know, this is your boy Shaq Spot Zam. Oh. Expect another one.